I am officially welcoming you in the 19th CEO and ASUS Forum. To God be the glory. In Jeremiah 29:11, the Lord said that He has a greatest plan to each and everyone. It is indeed the Lord Himself making a shower of blessing to each of you. As part of the 19th Sion ASUS, it is also my duties and responsibilities to welcome officially the Humanitarian Mark and the Global Leadership Awards at the same time is to welcome new members.
What I can say is that being as a member, being as our members in World Council International, patuloy po natin bigay yung ating support to make our dream come true. Lalo-lalo na po yung mga pangkalawakang gawain na ginagawa ng World Council. Naniniwala po ako na tayo po mga membro ng ating World Council International ay patuloy na ibibigay ang ating dalawang kamay upang makamit ang mga humanitarian projects at suporta sa mga nangangailangan.
We are the only award-giving body that has a sustainable development humanitarian program since 1997.
Ako po si Dr. Albert Paradero mula sa NGO TV
Pilipinas. Ako po si Major Artemio Alosada, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army, mula sa Reserve Command, Philippine Army.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Ako po si Maita Denaira Gumiran mula sa Philippine Army.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Ako po si Dr. Richmond Santillana mula sa mga hanay ng alternative medicine practitioners.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ako si Engineer Arnel Sestoso mula sa Primal Coating Specialists Incorporated.
Ako po si Ardel Diambao mula sa Person with Disability Affairs Office of Binyan.
Si Dr. Edward Q. Perez, dating manager ng Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation of PAGCOR at kasalukuyang Vice President ng Philippine Digital Media Society Incorporated.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Ako si Engineer Ricky Parungaw mula sa Pasig.
Ako po si Dr. Bobby Misa Brimon, your World Council Chairman, welcoming you at the 19th CEO ASUS dito po sa Midas Hotel.
Sion ASUS Achiever, saludo sa kapwa Pilipino, sa Diyos ang papuri.
World Council International, saludo sa kapwa Pilipino, sa Diyos ang papuri. Congratulations!